Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2016 Ford F-150 Platinum. Now the exterior color is ruby red metallic, and under the hood we have a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine paired to a 6-speed automatic suck-shift transmission. Now at the front we have our LED high and low beam headlamps, as well as our LED daytime running lights with a pair of fog lamps. We also have our front engine block heater, as well as dual tow hooks. Over at the side we have our polished aluminum wheels wrapped in our BF Goodrich tires, as well as we have our chrome mirror caps and chrome door handles. We also have our retractable running boards, as well as we have our privacy tinted windows in the rear and our twin panel moonroof on top. At the rear, we have our trailer and tow package, which includes our 4 and 7-pin connection, as well as our spare fifth wheel. We also have our reverse sensors paired to our backup camera, as well as a power tailgate. And inside our tailgate, we have a tailgate step, and inside the box, we have a spray and bed liner. And on top, we have a soft tunnel cover. And at the rear window, we have an embedded defroster with our power slide feature. At our interior, we have tons of driver-friendly features, including lots of door storage, as well as power and light, as well as we have our power locks with memory seating for the driver, as well as we have our power windows with power adjustable and foldable mirrors, as well as we have our blind spot information system. Over at our steering column we have our LED lighting for under our mirrors, as well as our automatic headlamp dial, our fully telescopic steering wheel with our information trackpad and adaptive cruise control settings on the left, and over to the right we have our hands-free and entertainment and volume controls. We also have our pre-collision warning system ahead. And as we look up, we have our auto-dimming rearview mirror with our cabin lights, as well as our 3 garage door opener points and our twin panel moonroof. And as we look at our interior, we have our stamped platinum badges, as well as a black leather, which has a fully adjustable seat with lumbar support for both driver and passenger. And as we look ahead, you'll notice we have 73,881 kilometers. And as we look at our sync display, you'll notice we have audio control, climate control, phone connectivity, navigation, and other apps including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. As well as we have our camera display, which allows for visuals on our touchscreen with our front and rear camera. And down below we have our controls for our sync. And down below here we have our dual climate control area, which includes your air conditioned and heated seats, as well as this heated steering wheel for the driver. And down below we have a 12-volt adapter, as well as dual smart charging USB ports. And at our console shift we have our manual select options, which we can gauge by the M, as well as our lane departure assist, park assist, as well as our dual cup holders with ambient lighting, and our center console with tons of storage underneath and 2 cup holders in the rear. At the rear, passengers can enjoy tons of door storage with more ambient lighting, as well as power windows and storage in the rear of the driver and passenger seat. And at the back of our center console we have an AC outlet, as well as our dual ventilation system with dual heated seats and a 12-volt adapter. Now with our 60/40 bench seating arrangement, we have tons of legroom and lots of headspace to fit 3 passengers in the rear comfortably. If there are any more questions about this beautiful Platinum, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.